Hey, Carl! There's 2 cars on the list, ese, and they're in the showroom across town. Let's go get them.
I always admired your direct approach, hombre.
Okay, let's go get those wheels.
I'm a man of peace, baby.
I like this place, you know? Man, you know who I am, loco?
Where?
San Fierro, man. My home will always be the Barrios and El Corona, but this city, it has something gentle about it.
Yeah, I know what you mean. Kendall seems to like it too, you know?
Oh yeah, she's really getting her head into this business thing.
That's good. She always been the brains of the family. She should get out together and make something of herself.
I think she's aiming to make something out of all of us, eh?
Yeah, she the moms of the family now.
Hey, who's this Truth guy, Holmes? I don't think he's wrapped too tight.
He just sees everything from a different perspective, that's all. At first, I thought he was just another acid casualty fruitcake. But some of the things he say, I don't know, man. It ain't all bullshit.
Hey, you gonna become an alien hunter, Holmes?
I'll take a rain check on that one.
Whoa!
This is it, CJ. The cars are on the 2nd floor.
Oh, great. Why is nothing ever easy?
Can I help you two, gentlemen?
Yeah, you can help us by going to help some other motherfucker.
Yeah, that sounds like a good idea.
All right, CJ, it's time to roll. Let's follow the leader. You better keep up.
Ah, you a maniac, S.A.?
Hey, CJ, is this walkie-talkie working?
Yeah, reading you loud and clear.
Come on, CJ, see if you can keep up with Cesar Villalpando. Beat the tram up the hill. Piece of chocolate cake. This tram driver must be shitting himself, Holmes. Hello, cop. What took you, eh? Hey, CJ, watch this. Nitro! Follow me down the hill, Holmes.
Okay, Caesar, that's enough fun. Let's get these cars back to the garage.
Okay, CJ. Hey, I know a quick route. Hello, cop. What, back again, idiotas? Get out of the fucking road! Holy shit! Fuck, Holmes, did you see that?
Can we think about getting back before I end up in a car wreck barbecue?
Sure thing, Holmes. I think we lost him. There's a shortcut this way. Uh-oh. Oh, crap. Hey, back up, Holmes. Back up, back up. Okay, we're good. See you back at the garage, CJ.
You hit me!
Where you going?
Marafla's in a car show. Hey, did you see Marafla at the car show? He's cool. Later, Rick.
Perps respect me because I reach it.
Hello.
Hey!
Have you seen the new hospital?
No, but I'm going to.
Stay healthy.
See you in my dreams.
Careful.
Hi, hot stuff.
Hello?
Catalina, is that you again?